Hey everyone, we got a quad drive bay. Vanish Fafnir. I picked this because it was the only cool one. Because it's Fafnir. Of course Fafnir is cool. I've already done 3 videos and included Fafnir the most out of all of them. Heck, I played with Fafnir with Atomic already. So let's see if Drain Fafnir can beat Vanish Fafnir when we unbox this. It seems that they took the Takeratomi art style box.
Oh my god, that's top
It has 6 pieces, 4 molds. The stamina is insane, so let's see. It even comes with a launcher. And this is only 15 bucks Canadian. Wow. This thing should be good. I can't believe they went ahead just to make Fafnir insane. Wow. Okay, I'm using bare hands, so of course I'm gonna suck at this. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Popping up. It just comes out like that? Seriously, no bagging? Okay, anything else?
Hey, that's pretty good. Obviously that.
Yep, no more. So that's
Wait, what is this?
Yeah, never mind. So it just fell out. Oh, nice. Holy crap.
Oh,
This is already...
is this part of it?
No, that's not part of it. These are part of it. Just wait, Chris. So that's the new launcher. Wow.
Let me see.
That looks so cool.
Oh my. Yo.
That looks very cool.
Is this part of it? Wait.
Yes, don't touch the stuff yet, Sean. Not yet.
Clip it together.
We'll test all. I don't even know how this launcher works. Oh, there we go. So left spin works. But what about right spin? It's not wanting to. Doesn't want to work. Right spin mode kind of doesn't want to work. How do you take the pieces off? I want to see. I want to see this thing. Oh, so there's the QR code.
Maybe you pop it out like Hypersphere?
Yeah, maybe. Because it says you... And this top as well. Oh, so that... Whoa.
Wow.
That's cool. And then you have to double this. You have 2 discs in this. Oh, there we go. Now it's popping off.
Wow.
And then how do I get the... Oh, so this, never mind, isn't in there. So Sean, point at the camera. I want to get this piece out. Oh! Okay, so there it is. So let me just put that on the ground. And you can see that it looks quite insane. Beyblade on steroids.
Let me try. Can I try putting this back together?
Oh my god.
Let me try putting this back.
No, not yet. Can I want to be the first one to put it back together. These are the original Beyblades. Let me just get random. Oh, here's Doom Sizer. 3 pieces. Doom Sizer. This is how simple it looks. And then this is what we get. Sean, I'll put it. Anyways, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Oh, this is my Beyblade. I have no idea how you fix this. This looks so insane and absurd. Wow, that looks quite insane. I have no idea how you put this back. It's like GT. You don't know how to do this.
Dude, That's basically Fafnir when it eats Doritos with ketchup, mustard, relish, and sprinkles. Literally.
Oh, there we go. I think I got it. Nope, never mind. Okay, now I believe I got it. And it has the QR code to scan into the app. You want to scan it? Here you go. Oh no, there you go. Now let's put this. I wonder how you do this. It looks so absurd. It actually looks.
Step aside.
I'd fix Beyblades very easily, but this is just so confusing. What? It just makes me so confused. How does the box look? Oh, I think you go like this. Yeah. I got it the wrong way. And then I think this goes here. Yeah. Okay. I'm making progress. Yeah, you can skip this probably. Come on. There. Oh my goodness. This thing looks so up. Oh, right. It's a left spin. There we go.
And now, the most important part.
It doesn't have rubber. This is Fafnir.
Andras,
Let's see if it can still drain.
the most important part. The most important part.
Okay, let's try
What
this
do
out. Okay, Sean, point the camera. Oh my, the click is very nice.
Oh!
That looks so sick.
But now, for the ultimate test.
And this is only one mode? Okay, I'm just sad now. Okay, let's see. Okay, Drain Fafnir versus... Let's do this. And this is with Atomic. So this is the best one they call it. Oh my, it's so giant. This is so big. Oh, it's burst.
Wait, Andras, I have another idea.
What?
Metal fusion.
No, we're not gonna be doing that. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Because you don't want to damage it.
Okay, right spin actually does work. So I'm gonna test it with, let's say, Dune Sizer. Can it? I want to hand spin it. I want to hand spin you. You don't have rubber. Hasbro. What is it with? Okay. Doesn't have rubber, but working well. Okay, let's see this. Oh my, it doesn't want to work again. Oh, there we go. You have to push it a little bit.
Wait.
What?
Now, how about...
It is such a good one.
Wanna try this?
No, Sean, no. Just watch the camera. I want to see if it can still drain even without the rubber. It seems like it can. Yeah, it definitely can. So I'm at least happy that it can drain, but I think others can drain as well. Like if I take, let's say, I'm just gonna spin this. Oh my. This launcher is so wacky compared to the other one. I'm just gonna do that. And let's try this draining. Yeah, never mind. So I guess it still works somehow. Draining works without rubber. Okay, well, before we end off this video, we're gonna do one more battle. I'm gonna pick a random bait. Let's say I'm just gonna pick a random combo and use it. Okay, here we have Revive Phoenix with random parts. I'll also put, no, I don't want this thing because obviously it's gonna wreck the spin. So here we go.
Hey, it makes that satisfying clink sound.
Oh my, okay, no, that's reboot. Oh, it's still, oh no. Yeah, that's weird. Sometimes it doesn't spin. But yeah, so that was the new Vanish Fafnir. Holy crap. That is so cool. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.